Okay, today we're going to have AI do something awesome. So I'm clicked in here to my data source. I'm going to go to my Snowflake database. I'm connected to a OList e-commerce database, and I'm feeling lazy today, so I'm just going to ask SQL to do something. I'm going to ask Claude to do something for me here in SQL. I want you to write me a SQL query that will show me the number of unique customers per week over time from the OList e-commerce schema. All right, let's send that sucker off. So this is going off to Claude by the API. Comes back. It looks like a reasonable query. So we'll just insert it here and run it, see what it looks like. Yep, looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and chart this baby. So we'll hit chart this. It's going to carry us over here. Like a line chart's the pretty obvious choice. So we'll choose week as the x-axis, unique customers as the y-axis, and whoo, man, that's not good. We got some growth and then absolute demolition of the product sometime in 2018. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just save this as an untitled chart real quick, and then I'm going to go back and edit it. And I'm going to ask AI to do something funny here. Please write me a funny headline, the funniest headline you can come up with to describe this chart. These are the number of unique customers per week for an e-commerce company that grew and then went off a cliff and disappeared. Please write the subtitle and the title. All right, let's see what happens here. So as you can tell, I'm doing voice to text with Whisper, just like everybody else these days. So let's see what happens. Oh, from zero to hero. Spectacular rise and face plant of our customer base. That's pretty amazing. Okay, let's go ahead and add a source note. I want you to add a source note noting that this is fake data. All right. So there we go. Added the source note. Thanks, AI assistant. So and now I guess that's pretty much it. I don't know if there's anything else I wanted to do. You can add a URL here. You can put in some alt text. You can change the colors around if you like Tableau's colors or vibrant colors or something like that. I think I like the default. I think it's pretty good. Um, Actually, let me go back to that. Then, yeah, let's see. So we've got this guy saved, and let's say we want to change the styling. This is the default story analytics template, but we've got all kinds of fun things in here. You can copy the folks at 538, like so. You can pretend like you work at the New York Times, like so, or The Economist, or do one of these other odd ones like dark. And yeah, you can do things like turn on and off your grid lines, and you can put labels on the axes and things like that. And you can also do some annotations here, which is kind of cool. So suppose I wanted to put in like a reference line. I'm going to make it say a vertical reference line right around, oh, I don't know, what is that, September or something like that? That's too far back. Let's see. Maybe over here somewhere. Maybe like right around the 13th. And the label, of course, is a bad thing happens here. So yeah, so we'll go ahead and save that guy, and then that's it, man. And so we can, we've got the chart published. If you want to find it, you go over to your library. There it is. And you can go ahead and you can download it as a PNG or or a CSV or whatever you'd like. So that's a quick demo of how it works. Thanks.